Book number 4. Wake Up Successful: How to Increase Your Energy and Archive Any Goal with a Morning Routine, by S. J. Scott. The Importance of the Morning Routine. The key to achieving both large and small goals is a morning routine. Starting the day right offers a number of benefits. You get more energy by following healthy habits, improving your health, and achieving your goals by focusing on one thing. The morning routine is simple: just 90 minutes, 30 minutes of physical exercise, and 60 minutes of self-care. And that's it, you are full of energy. Understanding what to spend it on will help you achieve your goal. But this routine must continue day after day, and when such a morning continues for 30 days in a row, it will become a habit. Then you will automatically act according to the plan. How to make this book work for you. Having studied the lives of successful entrepreneurs, the author found that they had a certain morning routine, which they strictly adhered to. Let's break down the 3 main steps. The first step is to decide what time to get up. To do this, plan your day in reverse order. Ask yourself questions and answer them. How long does it take to get the kids to school? How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? How long does it take to get to work? Figure out how much time you need to complete all the morning tasks, and add another hour and a half to this. The second step is to plan ahead. You will fall painfully, get hit, and throw if you don't. Stock up on everything you need in advance, and plan time for each morning activity. The third step is to begin small. You won't be able to draw up the whole plan at once. Start putting it together piece by piece. The goal is to create a series of habits that will change your life and become an integral part of your day. You should begin by changing your evening ritual. This will give a pleasant tone to the morning. You should get up early to get used to the new rise time, add half an hour of energy activity until it becomes a habit, and finish the routine by working on yourself, starting with half an hour. How your nighttime routine affects your morning routine. In order for the system to work, you will need the rules for the evening. The average adult needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep. The key task is to determine how many hours of sleep you require. Take into account your regular sleep cycles. You will have the most strength if you go to bed and get up at the same time every day. You just need to change your schedule so that you get enough sleep, and this will start a successful morning. In a natural cycle, you have the most energy in the morning, then at 1 p.m. you have a decline. The energy returns to you at about 3 o'clock, then slowly fades away in the evening. Your energy level will be at its optimal level if you go to bed around 11 p.m., wake up at 6 a.m., and sleep for an hour after lunch. However, some activities disrupt the natural cycle, and we sometimes cannot fall asleep before midnight. Therefore, we need to figure out what factors affect the fact that we can fall asleep quickly and sleep through the night. 25 ways to get better sleep. You can combine the factors I will mention in your own way. It will help you fall asleep in 15 minutes. After 2 p.m. do not drink drinks containing caffeine. Do not eat in the last 2 hours before bed. Start your evening activities 2 hours before bed. Do not enter the bedroom until the last hour before bedtime and go there only when you are ready to relax and fall asleep. Spend the last hour before bed relaxing and without electronics turning on the TV. Its light disturbs sleep. Do stretching exercises for 15 minutes. Take a bath or a long hot shower. It sometimes helps to get yourself in order. Get a manicure or shave. Make love. Listen to a relaxing meditation recording or self-hypnosis. Exercise early in the morning and not in the evening. Read a fiction book or a light magazine. Use dim lamps in the bedroom an hour before bedtime to reduce lighting. Light candles right before bed. Drink hot tea. And also for 15 minutes, you can meditate. All of these can help you get a sound sleep. How to avoid interruptions and stay asleep all night. Many find it difficult to sleep through the night without a break. This is a severe problem because the body passes through 4 phases of sleep, and this cycle repeats itself every 90 minutes. To overcome sleep disorders, try the following. You can protect yourself from distracting sounds by purchasing a background noisemaker, which mimics the sound of the ocean, rain, and branches rustling in the wind. If you have disturbing dreams, solve your problems during the day so you don't take them to bed with you. Talk to a therapist, share with a friend, get active in sports, and write down a solution. All of this help relieve stress. If you get up at night to go to the toilet, go to the doctor to get tested for diabetes. Limit fluid intake after 6 o'clock in the evening. Try cutting out caffeine and reducing your salt intake, as it retains fluid during the day that is excreted at night. If children or animals wake you up, then solve the problem of their sleep. Children sleep better with a night light on and if they don't consume sugar or caffeinated drinks. Try to isolate your bedroom from restless pets. Children and animals sleep soundly if they are active during the day. If you drink alcohol and wake up at night, limit yourself to 1 glass. This will ensure that you fall asleep easily, but the body will wake you up as the alcohol is processed. A step-by-step routine for ideal sleep. Here is an example of a plan for the evening that many use. At 5 p.m. it's the end of work, a light snack on the way to the gym or home. At 5:30 p.m. training for 30 to 60 minutes. 6:30 p.m. shower, road home. If you are not at home yet, have another snack on the way home. At 7 p.m. eat a small healthy dinner. Prepare for next day at 8 p.m. Do laundry, dishes, cooking, and homework. At 9 p.m. enjoy your leisure time. Watch TV, read a book to your children, put them to bed, talk with a friend or partner about the past day, surf the internet. At 10 p.m., turn off the electronics and go to the bedroom. Take melatonin. Bring a cup of valerian or chamomile tea with you, and let yourself drink it while listening to pleasant music and doing personal hygiene. Turn off all lights at 10:30 p.m., leaving only dim ones. The remaining 15 to 30 minutes use for reading, making love, journaling, or meditating. From 10:45 p.m. to 11 p.m. turn on the noise machine and turn off the lights. Lay down in bed. At 11 p.m. you should fall asleep. 8 strategies to feel energized every single morning. These energy activities take 1 to 5 minutes. The first is to provide bright light. As a result, our bodies are programmed to wake up. Clean up and wash. This helps you realize that a new day has already begun. Take a short shower without washing your hair, brush your teeth. Third, in the first 30 minutes, drink at least a glass of liquid water or herbal tea. Fourth, eat when you wake up. It's imperative to eat something, but a big breakfast will make you sleepy again. Take a small portion of something healthy. Fifth, get your blood pumping. This will help you turn your head. For example, jump rope, stretch your muscles. Perform several yoga poses. The 6th step is to become aware of your feelings as soon as you awaken. Feelings are still a bit frozen. Try this: put peppermint oil under your nose, brush your teeth with mint paste. Mint sharpens mental activity. Hold an ice cube in each hand for 30 seconds. Listen to upbeat music. 7th, wake up your heart. You need to activate your emotions. Try this: send a short, encouraging text message to someone you love. Feed or pet your pet. 8th, do what you love. You need to choose an activity that will serve as a bridge to what you will do in the next hour. Here are some examples: reread the diary in which you marked progress towards your goal, watch another video on the Book Blitz channel. This energizing morning ritual is best completed in 30 minutes. But there is also something that cannot be done in the morning. Do not surf the internet, do not turn on the TV, do not open social networks, do not eat a chic, hearty leisurely breakfast, do not take care of the children more than usual, do not listen to the radio. You can save these things for when you need a day break or for the evening. Example of a morning routine. Wake up and start your morning routine in natural light. Dress in clean clothes prepared the evening before. Go to the kitchen and pour yourself 2 glasses of iced tea, unsweetened. Drink it while you do the rest of your morning routine. Eat a banana and half a bun with almond butter. Perform 3 yoga poses while stretching the muscles of the torso. Feed the dog. Read what you have planned for the day. Dress up in sportswear, step out the door and start your hour of sports and stretching. For your 30-minute plan, write down a clear sequence of actions. Try out your routine in real life. Experiment until you find a plan that contains everything you need in the morning. How to achieve any goal with an hour of power. I recommend an hour because people are able to concentrate for 45 to 60 minutes. But after an hour, their productivity and motivation plummeted. During this time, you should choose one thing that is of high importance to you. It should be related to an objective goal for you. You may be tempted to move towards 2 goals at the same time. However, you will be more successful if you start with one goal and then move on to the next. Self-improvement activities to complete each morning. You can set aside an hour to lose weight, open an internet business, write a book or script, grow spiritually, that is, meditate, participate in endurance competitions, build muscle mass, learn a new skill. It could be a foreign language, craft, programming language or certification, or cooking healthy food for the day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.